gonna bring me to Formula Drift Spec drifting.
You'll be losing soon, mate.
Oh, you dream.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glory Yeshua, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do a little bit of vlog styled kind of video, just because we have a stack. We need to move a bunch of stuff around in the shed. I want to get my Laurel out, want to kind of start some things on that. We've got some cars that we need to part out that are behind the shed that just got to make around. So we're just going to be moving some stuff, setting up for the next kind of few weeks ahead. Also, hopefully going to make a start on the party bus. We don't do the stuff on the weekends just because weekends kind of like family stuff. Obviously with Matsuri just passing, you know, have to kind of spend some time with the family again. So here we are on a Monday again. There's not much time to move things around, so we have to do it now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move Skylines and the Sylvias around, move a bunch of AUs and other Falcons all around. Hopefully make a start on some cars, do some builds. So let's go. Archer's coming back soon.
Oh, don't even need a jump pack,
Wow.
mate. I told you.
I'm impressed.
My baby.
Look, he's even been having, you know, the BCM problems that occasionally doesn't start. I'm like, here we go. But no, he's good.
It's gonna bring me to Formula Drift Spec drifting.
Hopefully
One day.
you don't
One day.
spin it again. I just forget how cool this car looks. It's so stupid, but it actually, it's just got that Vet supercar feel. Alright, Quinny, you're gonna be, we're booking Quinny for a beginner's night at Archie, and we're gonna get all our friends there. They haven't really seen him drive at the track at all, mainly because he's driven once at the track.
I drove once. I crashed.
He crashed it
And the
in.
GoPro footage deleted itself.
So,
This was the crash. See? Doesn't look
but
like a crash.
in Quinny's defense though, it was full track. It's like peak COVID time, so we had full track, and the pace of a full track at Archie on first time drifting in a car you've never driven, quite a lot of pressure in itself. So beginner night, it's a slower course, one person at a time, so a whole lot less pressure, and you can kind of learn to drift in like a roundabout kind of setting. So that obviously helps a lot. So,
And David's advice didn't help at all. All he said was put your foot flat to the
I'm
ground and
completely
go.
useless.
And
What
because I said that, because he said that to me, I almost made him throw up.
I did. You're lucky the footage. He literally, oh man, I was about to throw up in the car. I'm like, bro, we got to stop. We got to stop. I felt so sick. Even thinking about it now, I'm like, yeah. But he did put his foot down, so I mean, he listened. But I was completely useless. Sam was a whole lot better at advice.
Sam told me what to do. David's like, don't do that. I'm like, you're not even telling me what to do.
I just send it, bruh.
Let's just leave you to the driving, not the teaching.
Maybe I've been driving for too long. All I know is just foot flat and who's.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got everything out the back, which is good now. The hard part is moving everything around in the front and the shop, so we're going to head off to do that. Looks kind of funny with all these parked in the road. Just need like that, put cars above them.
Yes.
Or
See if you can
put
see
the
it.
car on top of the roof and then drive them around.
It's kind of cool that you see all the window banners.
Yeah, we haven't put Nick's sticker on.
He needs a Nico circuit.
Yeah, it's printed. You just have to never stuck it on. We'll get there. Take a while.
What do we have here?
Because there's no battery. Oh!
Whoa! Party bus performance for the camera.
Yeah, right. Oh, well, I better above this watch it. Oh.
Where's the radio? Surely.
Hopefully I don't get demonetized due to...
We'll just do a little second of it. Oh! I'm gonna have to put a different song there because we can't get demonetized.
Do we try it?
No.
No, they will. They pick up in like a second.
Oh. Can we just take a second and just look at the dish? Look at the dish. Like camera inside rim.
We're planning to use a forklift right here, and I've just have a look what I just did. I've completely blocked everything. And so is this random bloke that's pulling in his driver.
What's been happening?
Just giving a bit of a sweep. We've moved around some cars. We've moved Jesse's patrol with the forklift very unconventionally, as the forklift tines are not very long. And we couldn't even lift the AU up fully, so we had to push the AU. Quinny had to steer the patrol. It's got no engine, so no.
That's why we didn't film anything.
That's why I didn't film nothing, because that was just tiring. Giving a bit of a sweep. Put the parts AU there. We'll just move a couple things around, and then hopefully, if time allows, we'll move some cars in here. Alright guys, so as you can see, me and Camo are busy moving things around. So the Laurel is out of its spot, I guess you call it. Dallas 31 is also moved, somewhat of a 31 that it is. And then we're moving Jesse's S14 out of there to put Cam's Skyline into the space for now. And basically the point of this is to have the Laurel a whole lot more accessible, because I really want to start building it again. So I know a lot of people that are watching are just like, get your Laurel done. For those people watching, because this is obviously predominantly a Falcon or a Ford channel, it is a Japanese Nissan kind of Silvia Skyline four-door car. That's what the Laurel is. So they're pretty expensive now, so I'm not going to be using it for competitions. Probably still going to smash it, which is unfortunate because panels are ridiculously expensive. But it's my first car, so it's coming back. Yeah, I want to drive it again. It's just one of those cars. It's your first car, so it's my baby. I want to be back at it. So we're going to continue ripping things around, get the party bus in as well, because the party bus is, look, it's the party bus. I don't. It's not even my first car, but there's something about that car that it's just lurking back there. That I want to drive it. I want to take passengers in it. You want to be in it. We want to do challenges in it. Not that it's going to be a challenge in itself anyway. So it's going to be a good time, but we'll continue and get going. Something disgusting's rocked up.
Powerhouse, mate.
Ugh.
You know, it seems to be your option, right? Warmed up pretty quick, got the 86 and it was
It's a shame though, because he's got like almost 500 horsepower through an eco banger, 3.8 litre Ecotech. That's right. He's manualed it, so once we manual the Fairlane, we're going to be destroying him again. You'll be losing soon, mate.
Oh, you dream.
I could be, but that's right. We'll find out in time. Hi guys, so we're back in the shed. Current state of the Laurel is that. Random skirts. I know Cam's standing in disbelief. This is not how you treat a Laurel. And it's got a bunch of crap inside of it too. So we've got some brakes in here, which is a bonus. Got my brakes there. Box. Don't know what. Oh, look at that. Even I'm not a Huffy slider. Forgot what it's called. Scooter thing. Yeah, so we're gonna pull some things out of it, so we kind of know what's in the car, what I actually have left, because it's been that long I don't actually know what I have. So I don't even know the list of things I need to make or write down to buy. So there's a lot of stuff I need to buy, a lot of things I do have. We just need to work out what all that is. So yeah, we'll just get into it. Also another thing which kind of sucks, but when I had the whole suspension rip out of the front a few years back now, the chassis is a bit twisted, so we're going to get it on the straightener at Cameron's Bodyworks up near Archie, and get him to straighten it. So it's actually, yeah, it's actually really bad. It's kind of that. It's kind of where after that damage, the car just was never the same. It really needed to get fully fixed up. So I really want him to fix it before it makes its debut again. So that's what we're doing. So this is unfortunately what we have. It's very dusty. Falcon wheels, no coilovers. Yeah, so it's going to be happening. Get pumped because I'm getting pumped. Let's do it. So we have a bunch of bolts and types of things. So much random stuff. So we have some panels from the inside of the car. Multiple brakes. I don't even know if those brakes are right. They look like Skyline fronts, but it's going to move majority of the things from in there that are actually for this car into the back of the car, so we actually know that it's for this. So it's also a wiring loom in here, so that's surprising. Might need that for the other car. Red turbit. I worked out the name of it. It's a power wing. We got there in the end. Bunch of rubbish in here too is the main thing. So we're gonna my radiator support. Yep. Yeah, really keen to get this thing back going. So that's what we're doing. Morning, guys. So I've dropped your little boy off at school. Like I said, we're doing some vlog style vids. Heading out. The reason why I'm doing this is we're heading out. A local guy on the Gold Coast, someone who my dad's been dealing with for like forever. So my whole apprenticeship, all of that, this bloke's been doing our power steering, pumps, racks, any advice and stuff like that. Like, he's the go-to. So just shout out his company, because he's just one of those blokes. He doesn't stuff around. He tells you what it needs, and whether you like it or not, you know that's what it needs. So he's not there to, like, obviously it's his business, but he's an honest bloke, genuine all the time, and always ready to help. Like, I'll call him so many times, just a quick question, and yeah, he's just like, no, it's all good, but he'll take the 5 minutes out of your day. So it's Brent from All Coast Power Steering. He's in Burleigh, so he does all our power steerings, like racks and shaft, power steering pumps and power steering racks. He does all that for us. So heading to his now, in the walk. It's raining, which is a bit annoying because one of my wipers is broken because Quinny put a mount right here and the wiper smashes into it. So I mean, it's sunny now and it's wet. So anyway, we're gonna head there to Burleigh, and yeah, we'll hopefully get the power steering racks that we need for a few cars that we need. So, whoop, this thing is, damn, these tyres are slippery. Hopefully I make it there without getting busted for any drifties, because this thing has the slipperiest tyres on. Holy dooly. Anyway, we'll catch you soon, guys. So guys, as you can see, it's started raining. I can't even use the wipers because it's a brand new windscreen in this car, and I don't want to damage it. And the wipers come off the rail, so we're just gonna have to pull onto the highway and deal with it. These bubbles or droplets, they're just sitting on here hard. They're just not going anywhere. Oh well, can't say it's been the worst conditions, so she be. As in the wise words of Luke, she be. So here we are at All Coast. You got the walk out. Those juicy bad boys versus the non-snapped ones. So particularly this year we have snapped so many AU racks. I think there's been probably 5 or 6 steering racks snapped this year. I think 3 or 4 of us were asked, and some other people as well that just come in. So new racks. Hopefully won't snap. Even Nick snapped one, a brand new one. So that was a bit upsetting. But yeah, Brent's the guy you want to go to for this stuff. I mean, we deal with him anyway, so this is going to cost you the same whether you go through him or us. That's perfectly fine. But yes, look guys, we're using like 20-year-old power steering racks and pumps. At 20 laps at Archerfield, they're going to be breaking. So there's a point where we're just going, all right, we need to stop putting second-hand pumps in and start putting new pumps and new racks in. Here's even our batch of pumps that are blown. That's just ready for Brent to fix up and get moving. So, but yeah, we can get it sorted for you guys if you want, but Brent's the man. Alright guys, totally random. I thought, why not? Sean's decided, I've got onto Boss Coffees purely because I was getting fat. So I've cut down from the Norco stuff, which I do love, but I just get too fat. But I've gone to the Boss Coffees that you just buy at your normal servo. I've really been enjoying that, but Sean's just decided to rock up with this. He's telling me this is what I need to try. Apparently, this is the goods. You let us know. But here at AU House, we do Falcons Japanese style. So we're getting on to Japanese coffee. Just in case you're wondering where it is. Cam looks already impressed, don't you, Cam?
Looks mint.
Yeah, mate. We got Rainbow, Mountain Blend. Don't even know how to say that. Wonderful coffee. Wonder as well. So I'm not even a hectic coffee fan, but I'm tired. Yeah. And I've been trying to cut out energy drinks. So this is the substitution. I think my body's craving it because I'm feeling a bit average. So there you go. I mean, shout out to Centuri if you're listening. Send us some coffee. Sure. Alright, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments below if this kind of vlog style video is a vibe. It's gonna be, things will be changing a little bit. You know, with Quinny not being able to do as much filming and stuff with us, so it's gonna go a little bit more to me just kind of filming, which hopefully will be okay. But let us know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know kind of things you want to see. If you do enjoy it, kind of where I go, what I do, we'll try to do as much as we can, obviously with different suppliers and people who help us do what we do. So let us know. Have a great one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you can. That'll keep us moving. And we're going to be doing merch very soon. So it's obviously something that we've wanted to do for a very, very long time. It's kind of finally like, alright, we've got to do it. So we're going to start doing it. And we'll be asking for your input as well. So keep an eye out for that too. Thank you guys.